everyone, I'm Vicki Harvey, your Myrtle Beach home expert. Today I'm going to show you how to use the market update feature on our website, Vicki Sells Grand Strand, to stay informed about the latest real estate trends in your area. First, go to our homepage at Vicki Sells Grand Strand. At the top menu, you'll see several options. Hover over the Market Update tab and to reveal the drop-down menu with various zip code updates. Click on the Market Update for your desired zip code. For example, let's use the zip code 29588 to see the latest trends in that area. On the Market Update page, you'll find a wealth of information. At the top, you'll see a sign-in form where you can subscribe to receive monthly market updates directly to your inbox. As you scroll down, you'll find a video presentation where I go over the specific market trends for that area. Next to the video, you'll see detailed graphs comparing the average and median sales price of the area to the entire MLS. You will also find detailed market statistics, including the average and median price for sold, new, and active listings, and the list to sales ratio average, and median and average days on the market and the inventory levels. At the bottom, you can view the latest sold, new, and pending listings in the area. This gives you a clear picture of the current market activity. That's it. Using the Market Update feature on our website is a great way to stay informed about the real estate market in your area. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out to me, 843-222-7800. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.